Affiliate marketing for beginners. All right, so that's what we're taking a look at today. This is a service here. It's a premium service with a free membership as well. You're going to want to check out this free membership. This is a legitimate company that's been around since 2005. They do a lot of things. There's a lot on this website to take a look at. If you're a beginner, it's great. Even if you're not a beginner, it's great. It includes web hosting and all this other stuff. Let's take a look at it here. Transform your ideas into profit. Start a business from 100 million lucrative niches. Build beautiful, profit-ready websites. No design skills needed. Some other benefits: proven strategies to attract loads of traffic. Your revenue sources are unlimited. There's, thousands and thousands upon thousands of affiliate marketing programs you can use. And by the way, there's a link for this in the video description below. It is my personal referral link / affiliate link, and you'll be connected with me personally when you use that link inside the community here, because there is a large community of people here as well. So Wealthy Affiliate powers affiliate marketers worldwide. 14 years in business, 193 countries, over 1 million users, expert coaches, all kinds of stuff going on in here. Real people, real feedback. These are actually members of the community here. The features you need to succeed. The lessons here are great. Like I said, there's a free membership, a free starter membership. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. I'm going to show you some of those lessons in a second here. Some of the things on there. Education, expert coaching and advice, support, Jaxie, a keyword research tool, customizable websites, running business, very fast web hosting here as well, networking with all kinds of people and things like that, zero risk, trusted platform, endless opportunities, yada, yada, yada. So this is inside of Wealthy Affiliate here. This is the online entrepreneur certification level 1 getting started, and this is the free course that they provide. It's 10 lessons. You also get 2 free websites to start off with. And see here, getting rolling, understanding how to make money online, choosing a niche, building your own niche website, setting up your website, getting your site ready for search engines, creating your initial website content, creating custom menus on your website, understanding keywords, and congratulations, on to the next step. So folks, if you want to start with affiliate marketing, or maybe you tried some other systems, jump in here now, get this free course that you can start with. All that stuff right there is completely free. I'm going to show you what it's like inside. And there's enough stuff here to see if you want to continue growing with this system. There is a premium membership as well, which I use. I pay yearly. It hosts all my websites and the ongoing training, keyword research, and an affiliate program search, all kinds of stuff in here. Understanding how to make money online. There's a lot of reading. There's a lot of videos as well. Lots of videos going on here. And this is taught by the co-founders of the company. And this is basically just, the getting started. And then when you're done with the lessons, you go to the next lesson here. What is my niche? A lot more video here. It's about a 20-minute video right here. You could watch out. You could watch. So much stuff in here. I just wanted to pass this information on. And if you really want to get started with affiliate marketing, this is probably one of the best places you're going to start learning about it. There's live weekly events. This is for the premium members, though. We'll take a look at some of this stuff. And there's every week, Fridays, there's a live class, and there's archives of all this class as well. All kind of great topics here. There's keyword research for doing finding the ways to get your web pages on top ranks in Google, which is very important. There's affiliate program search, which is great for finding products that you want to promote based on your niche and stuff like that. They have high commission ones, $2,000 there. High percentage, just all kind of stuff in here. But the classes are what you're going to want to start up with. Where's the training again? So you can start right here when you sign up. Use my link and just get started. And if it's something you want to do, just, I recommend upgrading to premium. But there's enough stuff here to get you going to see if it's something you're into. So anyways, folks, that is all for now. Check it out. Subscribe to my channel. I have hundreds of videos about making money online. Legit programs. I expose some scams and stuff like that. Things to look out for. This one's totally legit. I've been using it since 2017. Almost 3 years now. I host my websites here. I network with people here. It's a great opportunity. So, and it's relatively inexpensive for starting a business, by the way, too. It's not that much money if you think about it. Anyways, talk to you soon.